Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the NomadAI smart glasses, a device that claims to be the Swiss Army knife of eyewear. These glasses supposedly do it all, from capturing 4K hands-free video to translating over 138 languages in real time, all while protecting your eyes and keeping you aware of your surroundings. Because nothing says staying aware like staring at a digital overlay while you're trying to cross a busy street. It sounds amazing on paper, but that's exactly where the concerns start to pile up. The first issue is that the company is promising way too much for a single pair of frames. We're talking 4K recording, instant translation, open-ear HD audio, and a waterproof, lightweight design. It sounds less like a real product and more like something Tony Stark would build in a cave. Without any genuine user reviews or physical proof, these big claims feel a bit like a tech-heavy fairy tale. To make matters worse, the product images appear to be copied from other sources. If a brand can't even bother to take their own photos, you really have to wonder if the product actually exists outside of a Photoshop file. Then we have the statistics, which are suspicious to say the least. They claim a 98% satisfaction rate for video recording and a 99% approval for their audio quality. However, when you actually look for the data behind these numbers, there's absolutely nothing there. It's a classic marketing trick where the numbers are made up and the facts don't matter. They also boast about a dedicated app that lets you export photos with a single tap, which would be great if they actually provided a link to it. Currently, the app is as invisible as the AI they keep mentioning. Finally, let's talk about those glowing reviews. The site claims a 4.9-star rating based on over 800 reviews, yet platforms like Trustpilot show a grand total of 0. Apparently, these hundreds of happy customers are all living in a dimension where the internet doesn't exist. So, are the NomadAI smart glasses legit? Based on the recycled images, imaginary stats, and the missing app, it's safe to say this looks more like a gamble than a gadget. It's probably best to keep your money in your pocket until some real evidence shows up. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews that actually tell the truth.